Alpha Sound Promotions.
Yo, this is your girl Patricia, and right now you're tuning in locked in to the BTC TV show. Yo, I'm feeling sexy. BT asks me how I'm feeling.
So right now we are backstage with Mr. Cloud9 Ninth Level Vibes. Bahamas We Live 2015, first time. It's the ninth level. Yeah.
Hola Tunche. Ooh yeah 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 yeah. Tado.
I want me some crab sauce. I got about a crab sauce. Just your boy Bloody, all the way from the 242. Who is going to work on a Thursday or even a Friday when it's a party? Father Fox, I'm there.
This is the girl Ebony, so rock my boat, ride my boat, just rock it till we reach.
BTC family, big up yourself, enough love. My first time in Bahamas. Yo, I love the vibes, the people them nice, the ladies looking good. You know what I mean? Hospitality on point. Yeah, man, I love it. Respect. BTC.
Yo, Dyson Knight, and I'm here at Survival Weekend because I'm a survivor. I'm a true pumping king, you understand? And this is the BTC TV show. Now you know, hashtag that, yeah!
So hey yo, if you didn't know, this is Marshall Montana on the BTC TV show. And it's So It Go Bahamians, Bahamians, you say it, soca lovers, Trinidadians, Trinidadians. Yo, it's all about some of don't want no raking and scraping in here. Hey, but we just do it like a boss. Carnival time in the Bahamas. Let's go. Hey!